Now, all of this time I've been talking about how do we wire up this system and its cognitive correlates in development. What do you have to build in to get a system like this in development? What can you get through learning? What do you have to build in, and so forth. But it's a related but different question to ask. Is that the only possible way it could work? Or are there situations where we might have a very different kind of organization of the brain? Okay, are there other possible organizations that might develop under different circumstances that would still work? Okay, and the two relevant cases that people have looked at are cases of brain damage, right? So if you have brain damage in adulthood and you lose a little piece, can that piece move over and reorganize? Is there another possible organization that would work? Okay. Or what about if you have very, very different visual experience, like you're born blind? Okay. Then do you get the same organization, or does everything go haywire and you have a totally different kind of brain organization? Okay. All right. So I'll give you a little bit of data on each of those questions.